Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Dylan. In today's video, we are taking a look at secrets in the Uber driver app. So if you are an Uber driver or if you're thinking about it, this is a great video because you're gonna discover secrets in the Uber driver app that took me years to realize were actually hidden inside the Uber driver app. So please thumbs up the video for research, for giving you all of this information. And also, all right, so first off, I wanna just share with you the first secret down below, that if you scroll to the bottom, you're actually going to see that there are different peak flight hours at the airports. So if you click on this opportunity list, it's going to show you the number of cars and also just ways that you can start earning more money at the airport. All right, so the second secret, we're looking at bonuses. So Uber drivers love to get bonuses, and we honestly live off bonuses because a lot of times if you don't hit the bonus, you ain't making much money. So if you go under recommended for you, you can click on this, $200 extra by completing 5 trips. So you only need to hit 5 trips in order to earn $200 extra. So you can click on this right here and it shows you that when you hit 5 trips, they're gonna send you $2 extra bonus. This is not a guaranteed amount. This is going to unlock you for $40 per ride extra bonus. That's pretty freaking good if you ask me. Okay, the third secret that we're looking at is under opportunities. You always wanna check this for big opportunities. As you can see here, these are where you're gonna have more bonus opportunities. You can go into the future as well, 18, 19, and I believe you can go into the future. Sometimes it doesn't have any for the next week, but if you go, you know, for Sunday, for instance, that's in 2 days, sign up for $6 extra on every trip. So do you wanna earn $2 extra, $2.50, or $6? For me, I'm looking at that $6 extra per trip from 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. Try to hit 5 rides during that. That's an extra $30 in that hour. Okay, the fourth secret is actually under account, and you're gonna go down and you're gonna click on tax info, and you can go to tax summaries. Obviously, I'm not gonna click on mine, but in this one, you're gonna get an accurate year-by-year summary of all the money you've ever earned with Uber, expenses, and net payout. You're gonna see the difference between ride amount and your driver payout. Okay, the next secret that we're looking at is actually under the work hub. So if you're an Uber driver, you actually get access to the Uber work hub, which is a great place for you to learn how to increase your earnings with different types of businesses. You can deliver alcohol now. You can deliver food with Uber Eats, and you can make deliveries now for businesses with Uber Direct. So this is a way that a lot of drivers are making tons of extra money by doing Uber Direct and actually helping companies send items to their customers in your community. All right, so the last major secret that we're looking at is under app settings. And when you go down to the bottom, you can actually click on video recording and set up a dash cam, and this is going to help you prevent ever being deactivated by the platform, or you know, if you ever have a ride and the passenger's being mean to you, they report you, you can easily register your dash cam, and this is going to help you with safety and also deactivation. So there you have it. Those are the secrets in the Uber driver app. Let me know your favorite one. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.